Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on the second day of February 2026. And we're going to go to our old friend. The setup is our strong candle indicator, as indicated by this little triangle pointing down, saying take this candle short, which is what we're going to do. We'll look over at the PVI. PVI is, we expect the next candle to be somewhere between 40 and 50 ticks in length. So we'll pair that with our ATM. Use a little bit larger ATM because the market's been, pretty good so far. So we're going for 16 tick first targets. Then we'll have 30 and 60 tick runners. We start out with a cover order. And when we do that, we can use the current candle for our stop. So if we hit our cover order without retracing, this is a beautiful close below the R1. Just a little push retrace off the R1 and we're good to go. If we can catch it underneath the current candle, once it retraces, then great. If not, we'll just go to the end of the candle and go. And this is how it all went down in the room today. We'll pick it up. There's a little bit of, oh, never got it. So we got it on the retrace. So we'll go ahead and use the current candle for our stop. All right, now we've been picked up in the trade. All our targets are set. We can speed it up a bit. Notice how we de-risk the trade after our first target's hit. Now, if this comes back and takes us out of break even, then I need to get another order ready to put on. So we'll be prepared in case I need it. It's well out of the market, so I won't get picked up. And we'll just let this thing roll as far as we can. So first two targets are out, 60 tick targets left to go. And I'm not sure we get it on whether we get it on this candle or the next candle, or maybe even two candles. I'm really not sure how it all worked out. I don't remember off the top of my head. We may have to wait for the next candle to get paid out, but that's all right. However it worked out, it worked out. And so far, first two targets are out. So right now we're at 1630, 60 ticks into profit. Our stop is sitting at minus 14. So all we can do is make money at this point, no matter what happens with our third target. There we go. Next candle comes through. There's no reason to get out of the trade at this point. And boom, target's out. Boom, that trade took about 6 minutes to complete and was worth 620 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 620 US dollars in 6 minutes, come and join us at SamuraiDayTrading.com. That's SamuraiDayTrading.com. And we look forward to seeing you in the live trading room real soon. So God bless you, and we'll see you next time.